Today we will going to demonstrate analysis of fixed beam and continuous beam. So for the analysis, we open a STAAD model. We can name it anything like uh, demo for fixed beam. It's fixed, and make sure you need to select metric for the unit and then create a new job. Once you created, now for a fixed beam, you uh, will start with node part. First I'll enter 0 for the origin, then I'll give around 4 meter would be enough along the x-axis. Now I'll join these two nodes with the add beam, and I'll join these two nodes with add beam option. I'll define a section, and I'm taking this as a default concrete, and I'm choosing it as a rectangular section. It would be 9 by 12 inches. Add. Now I will choose our beam and select assign to selected beam, and then assign the section to it. Once I have assigned, I will add support to it. I'll click on create support, then add, and basically I have added a fixed support here. And now firstly you need to select the support you have created, then we have selected the nodes, so assign to selected node and then proceed to assign. Now we are ready with the fixed beam part, and now we need to analyze. To analyze, we need to apply loading on it. So I'm going to add a load case detail reloading. Let's suppose I'll add a UDL. I'm referring it as a UDL. I'll add, then next step would be close. In UDL, I'll add the weight in it. I'll go to member load, and for the reference, I'm adding it as 50 kilonewton per meter. You can add accordingly. Make sure you need to write -50 because load is acting vertically downward. Then add and then close. Apply this load to the selected beam, assign, and that's it. So see, this is the UDL is on the beam, and then we'll go to the analysis part. We have done with the modeling part. Now analysis command, make sure you need to select all and then add and then close. After the close, you need to go to run analysis command, save your structure, wait for the output file, and go to post processing mode. Select the load you have applied, okay, and now you can see the reactions generated here. So next experiment would be to demonstrate continuous beam and analyze it. So we'll name, first we open a STAAD and we'll name something like demo 3, and make sure you need to select metric and then create a new STAAD file. After creating a new file, as we have to create a continuous beam, so for making a continuous beam, we'll go to node. First we'll choose the origin, and then I'm choosing the span distance. The first span distance would be 4 meter, second would be 3 meter, 3 meter, fourth, I'm taking 3 spans only, and then I'll add these nodes with the add beam option. I will define a section for this. I'll define 2 sections for this. Okay, and I'm taking the default concrete here. You can even change it through material, and then you can name it accordingly as AM20, AM25, 30, and you can change the properties. And then you just need to click add, and let I'm taking another section too, and I'm adding both. I need to add this section to this particular. Wait a minute. 304. No, now done. 304. Yes, it's not. Now we need to assign this particular section to the beam, and to assign it we have selected the section and the beam and assigned to selected beam, and then click on assign, and the particular section has been assigned, and the other section would be this, and again the same process. Now we need to add support conditions. Can be there can be any support condition. I'm adding one fixed and one pinned. Let's add one pin. Done. Now we have done with our properties, and we need to move to the loading conditions to analyze our model. I'll add dead load. I'll add a UDL here for the reference. I'll add the UDL from member load, and this can be, and I'm adding the 50 for one side, and then and I'm taking other value around 60, and I'm adding the other value, and then close. For the particular beam I'm using this 50 kilonewton. Minus has been indicated as the direction of the load is moving vertically downward, and assigning the same to wait, assign to the selected one, and assigning the other part will be assigned by this particular load, and done. Now we need to go to analysis part, and move to analysis command. Make sure you need to select all, add, and then close, and then move to run analysis, save your structure, and then wait for the output file, and go to the post processing mode, select UDL, okay, and check the reactions from this particular. And this is our output of the continuous beam. Thank you.